In 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, and we're taking off once again. We're seeing all of our robots getting moving on this field. We got 3 actions happening on the Blue Alliance. We're going to see if they can score onto that reef. Unfortunately, it looks like there was a miss at the human player station. All right, we're going to see what the Red Alliance can do to try to keep up with the Blue Alliance here. We have 65-56 making the first move over to their human player station, trying to collect a coral so they can score. We're going to see what they can do with that. Their alliance partner, 10705, has gone to the far side, the other alliance human player station, to try to get coral to bring onto those troughs of the reef. There's 6 of them, 1 on all sides. We'll see what they can do. Meanwhile, we have 1023 trying to make some scores here. We'll see how many points they can put up here on the reef. That looks like another coral for them. That's going to be the Bedford Express making a quick move out of this. Going to see how fast they can keep their cycle times with their ground intake, letting them go slightly less far when they're trying to get those game pieces. Their alliance partner is 1025. That's the MP Warriors. They're putting one onto the 3rd level of the reef. We're going to see how many more they can put on there before there's no more space, or if the time runs out first. We got 1 minute and 10 seconds left in this match. We're seeing one algae getting removed from the reef by 5205 on the Red Alliance, and that's the second right there. We're going to see if they can bring them into the processor, or if they're just removing them for their teammates. We got to see how the strategy changes depending on every alliance combination. 65-56 is once again at their human player station, trying to get some coral to get onto the reef, but they got to get them in the robot first before they can bring them there. We're going to see what the move is here. It looks like 5205 making their way across the field. What is going to be the next move here? It looks like they might be going for an early climb. We'll see if they can get off the ground. 1023 is, in the meantime, fill up the entire face of this reef right here. All 6 coral. We got less than 20 seconds left. That's the depth charge. We're going to see how many robots are going to participate in this endgame and how many can get all the way off the ground. Looks like all 3 red robots are participating. We're going to see if any of blue can get off the ground. Last 3 seconds here. Can 1025 make it? Blue Alliance. They can get with 97 points and 5 ranking points. That's what's going to be used to decide where they end up in the pick order tomorrow morning to decide what alliance teams are on.